Now, the teaching point for today is the directory rule in France. During old regime, there was monarchy in France, the absolutist monarchy it was. All the powers was vested in the hands of the monarch. The last one was Louis XVI, who was executed. After the French Revolution 1789, a type of people's rule was established there. Then from 1793 to 1794 there was Jacobins rule led by Maximilien Robespierre, who whose policies were very harsh and ruled by just like dictators, and he was a very intolerant one. In this manner, he abolished all his enemies, beheaded, and also ultimately he met the same fate. After his execution in 1794, the Jacobins' rule ended up, and again the rule went into the hands of the richer section of the French society. They drafted a new constitution in which non-propertied persons were not given right to vote. Only persons having property gained the franchise, a right to franchise. Of course, they did not want to transfer power into the hands of a single person who may rule, who might rule by his own will. In the constitution, there was provision for two elected councils. The councillors had to appoint a directory. The directory was consisting of 5 members. The drawback of the directory rule was that these 5 members frequently clashed with the members of the councils. It was day to day practice. The result was that there was a type of political instability created in France, and ultimately the power went into the hands of military. In this way, military dictator came into power, and that was, none other than Napoleon Bonaparte, the historical dictator in France. That's all for today. Thank you.